Every Saturday I get up late. At 11 o'clock I go shopping at the supermarket and the fruit and veggie market. Then I go swimming at the local swimming pool. After that I have lunch and then clean my house. In the evening I usually go out to a restaurant with friends. On Sundays I also get up late. After breakfast I go swimming for some more exercise. In the afternoon I visit my parents. In the evening I cook dinner and watch TV. I sometimes read a book in bed. Next weekend I'm going to have a great time. On Saturday morning I'm going to buy some new jeans and a pair of shoes. In the afternoon I'm going to visit a friend in Punchbowl. At 8 o'clock I'm going to go to a French restaurant with 5 friends. On Sunday I'm going to have an interesting day. I'm going to go to the museum with a friend. After that, I'm going to eat out at an Indian restaurant. I'm going to go to bed late. Next weekend I'm going to have a boring time. On Saturday afternoon I'm going to go shopping to buy some fish and some vegetables. Later in the afternoon I'm going to see a sick friend in Canterbury Hospital. At 7 o'clock, I'm going to cook dinner for my family. On Sunday, I'm going to have a boring day. I'm going to clean my house. After that, I'm going to do the washing and some more cooking. I'm going to go to bed early.